Here I am with Big Bird leaving the Peking Hotel for a stroll down the main drag, Shenyang Road. I've done some peculiar things in my many years in show business, but this is the first time I've walked down the street talking to a chicken. It didn't take long for us to draw a crowd. It was a beautiful day, and people came flocking to us from everywhere. They thought it was a chicken with a gland condition, and they all had a look in their eye like they all wanted a drumstick. Fortunately, before the crowds got uncontrollable, the cops stepped in and brought orders so we could continue. We finally made it to the basketball court. It was a public court where they play from morning to night, but we wanted to meet our hero. We wanted to meet their outstanding basketball player, 7'5", Mu Chia-Chu. Look at this man. Hey. 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 How are you? Ni hao. Great to see you.
Nice to meet you, Shorty.
I want him to meet one of our basketball players. And there's Bob Shields right here.
Oh, yeah.
Here, come on, Big Bird.
Yeah.
Just jump with him just for fun. Come on, hey. Where are you, Bird? Where are you?
That's why they threw me off the team.
Hey, with that, thank you, Big Bird.
Okay, Bob. See you later.
Back to the nest, huh?
Yeah.
Thank you, Robert.
Hey, Shorty.
See you later. This man, Mu Chia-Chu, is one of the fine athletes, and of course he's renowned in basketball circles, and I was certainly happy to meet him because he met me at the airport and dribbled me all the way to the hotel, and luckily the elevator wasn't working, so he slam-dunked me up to the room. And it's just great to come here to Peking and see this chap. I understand you're going to the Olympics, is that true?
Possibly not.
Well, I watched him practice, and I'm sure he's going to do well over there. Right. Is there a lot of basketball players here in Peking? Quite a lot, huh? Well, I'll tell you one thing. It's just wonderful to see a man. You know, he's an astounding looking chap because he's one of the biggest fellas I've ever seen, and we have you know, wonderful players like Bill Walton and Kareem Jabbar and all these marvelous guys in our country, you know. And he was in the United States, wasn't he? Yeah, where'd he play?
New York.
In New York?
Yeah. Just New York? Los Angeles, too, huh? Speaks pretty good. That Los Angeles team was pretty good. Well, just tell him we'll be watching for him in the Olympics, and we wish him great luck. I wonder if you'd throw a couple of baskets for us and show us your technique, huh?
He would like to play with you.
Yeah, all right, all right. A little easy, isn't it? Pretty good, pretty good. Hey!
How long has it been since you've seen the acrobatic team of the PLA Railroad Corps? Sounds like a rock group, doesn't it? Well, it isn't. It's the best acrobatic team here in Peking or anywhere in the world. Take it away, PLA.